Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm unboxing a few more of my mini GT collection. I've got 4 BMWs and a Nissan GTR Liberty Walk edition, LB Works. I might just try and unbox the Nissan first and get it out of the way, and then we can look at the 4 BMWs. 3 of them are pretty similar, but I love the model, so I ended up buying 3 different color variants. They're all BMW Alpina B7 X-Drive. I've got the white, Alpine white, I've got Alpine blue metallic, and I've got the Alpine green metallic. But the last one is a BMW 750 Li X-Drive black sapphire. Alright, let's go ahead and start unboxing, and I'll do the Nissan first. Okay, that's the car. Pretty neat boxing and packaging with some shrink wrap. And obviously it's for ages 14 and above, for small choking parts. Mini GT releases are awesome, guys. I so like them. They've got the LB or Liberty Walk license plate, plastic taillights, rear spoiler, bronze kind of exhaust, beautiful dark cherry red color scheme, 5-spoke rims and rubber tires, a decently detailed chassis. Okay, I'll put it on the turntables to give you guys a 360-degree look view. Let's do it. Okay, let's look at the BMW 750 Li X-Drive in the black sapphire, and then we can look at the other 3 BMW Alpinas. Just look at that release, guys. Beautiful. They also got the heating elements on the rear windscreen. Beautiful BMW logo. Chrome accents, chrome exhaust, beautiful spokes. Beautiful front grille. Just awesome, guys. They don't bother painting the headlights, the side mirrors with chrome. They've got plastic headlights, plastic taillights, beautiful chassis. And look at the exhaust in chrome as well. Simply superb, guys. And that logo looks really schmick as well. Alright, let's put it on the turntable. Okay, let's look at the Alpina B7 X drives. I'll start off with the blue one. It's got a beautiful metallic blue color scheme. Simply magnificent, guys. They've got a tiny Alpina livery. Hope you guys can see that. Beautiful grille, BMW logo, sunroof. Just in awe of these models, guys. Well made mini GTs. Okay, time for the turntable. Okay, let's look at the white Alpina B7 X drive. Just fell in love with these guys, so I ended up buying different colors of the same model, but honestly, no regrets. That's just nice, guys. So beautifully detailed. So true to the actual model itself. This is nice. I hope you guys can see the little Alpina livery, the front bumper. Alright, turntable. Alright guys, the last one in today's unboxing video is a Alpine Green Metallic BMW Alpina B7 X drive. Just look at the color, guys. Beautiful metallic green. Looks kind of like a Highland green as well, the one they use on the Bullet Mustang. That one's got the Alpina livery as well. Metal grille. Beautiful, guys. Very happy and pleased with Mini GT. Also Tarmac Works and Hino 64. These guys have honestly taken diecast models to a whole new level when it comes to detailing, color schemes. Okay, time for the last car to go on the turntable. Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's unboxing video. We've looked at a Liberty Walks or Liberty Works or Liberty Walk Works performance Nissan GTR, a BMW 750 Li X-Drive Black Sapphire, a BMW Alpina B7 X-Drive Alpine Blue Metallic, a BMW Alpina B7 X-Drive Alpine White, and a BMW Alpina B7 X-Drive with a Alpina green metallic color scheme. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. Stay blessed.